Hey guys, this is the AutoScreen Droid Pro. Let's check it out. This thing is pretty cool. I'm excited to get it hooked up in here. All right guys, let's get this thing out of the box, hook it up and check it out. Pretty excited because this screen is going to be way nicer than the one we have right now. Oh yeah. Very well packed, guys. These things are cool and they're really affordable. And look at the size of this screen. Oh yeah, look at that. That's nice. Compared to what we have, that's pretty cool. You could almost set it right there. Very nice screen. It's got a protective cover on it. We'll take that off in a minute, but you can see how shiny it is there. Everything is really nicely packed. There's the stand, a rear view backup camera, power cable, audio cable, the manual. Let's go ahead and plug the power cable in. I've got 12-volt power down here. Let's plug it in. It also has a USB adapter here, so you can still plug in your USB items. That power, there it is right there. AutoCast. Okay, we're gonna pull this screen off and you're gonna see how shiny it is. Wow. So we've got aux out, SD card, AV in, and power. All right guys, let's get this thing hooked up. Wi-Fi. Okay, so now I've got it set up. I also updated the firmware and the software. It's pretty easy. It only took a couple minutes. I'm gonna go ahead and take the sticky off the bottom and we're gonna set it right here. So this is mirroring my phone. I can send messages, I can go to maps, I can make phone calls. We've got all the settings here, calendar. I can go to YouTube and watch YouTube videos. Check this out. Who's this guy? Yeah, this is a pretty cool channel, CT Moog. So you can see here it's playing a commercial on YouTube. Everything looks great. It's crystal clear, guys. It's really nice. So you can have this playing and your passenger can be watching a video on YouTube while you guys are driving. You can have your maps going. It has a built-in speaker, but if you want to run it through your car's audio system, which is probably better, you can hook it up via Bluetooth if your car has Bluetooth, or you can also hook it up with a hardwire. So you can hook it up to your audio aux in your car and go to aux. So yeah, it looks pretty awesome, guys. I'm gonna go ahead and take the sticky off here and we're gonna stick it onto the dash. Right here, right in the center here. That looks good. And then you can swivel it towards the passenger or towards the driver, or you can keep it in the center. So that looks pretty good right there. I like that. And then we're gonna try to find the sweet spot to hide the cables. It looks like we can come right down here. Obviously every car is going to be a little different. All right guys, so there it is. It is on the dash and it looks amazing. That's what we had before. This is what we have now. It's really cool. And what's great is the passenger and the driver can both enjoy it. And you can even see it from the back seat. It's pretty big. And it's playing excellent. I mean, there is no hesitation and the screen is super clear, guys. So it's a commercial right now on YouTube. This little thing right here is cool. This is like your device center, your home area, and you can move this wherever you want it. Okay, so that's our movie that's playing on YouTube. That's CT's garage. And it's awesome. But if you want to go back home, you hit this little circle right here. And that circle, like I said, you can move it anywhere you want. Hit this, you hit the home button, and it's going to take you home. So now you can go to YouTube, Netflix, TikTok, YouTube Music. You can go to any app you want. You can do split screen, full screen. This is where you can choose CarPlay, Android Auto, or AirPlay. All right guys, check it out. I'm going to use Siri on my Apple Play to get directions. Hey Siri. Directions to Whole Foods.
One possibility is Whole Foods Market on North Orlando Avenue in Winter Park, a little over a mile to your south, and it gets 82% positive ratings. How about that one?
Yes.
Getting directions to Whole Foods Market.
That's pretty cool, isn't it? All right, go. So we're 5 minutes away. There's directions. It works great, guys. This thing is awesome. I love it. And you can tilt it this way a little bit if you want to. So you got a little better visual here. And that's it. We're off to Whole Foods. Let's do it. All right, guys, here we are. We're at Whole Foods. That quick. And this thing is perfect. I don't have to use my phone. All right, guys, as you can see, this thing works really well. The screen is super bright and vibrant, and at night it looks even cooler. I drove around last night for a little bit. It looked really awesome. All right, so I just got in the car. I'm gonna turn it on. You'll see how quick it comes on. That's how fast it is, guys. The response time on it is insane. It comes right on, and it's ready to go. So you can hit maps. You can get full screen here. And you can ask Siri to go anywhere you want. You can also have pinned places here. So Whole Foods, that's where we're at right now. We're in the parking lot of Whole Foods right now. So you can see how responsive it is. What else is cool is when you turn the key off, in my car anyway. Turn the key off and it's still connected to aux. I mean, it's still connected to power, which is cool because you can sit here with the car off and still play around with it. It might be different in your car, but in my car, it's still on with the key off, which is pretty cool. But as soon as you open the door, it shuts the power off. Now that might just be a feature in this car, but it is pretty cool. And as soon as you put the key in, it comes on. It is on. It's ready to go. So we can hit go here. We're already in the parking lot, so basically we're gonna walk to Whole Foods, go get some food, and we're gonna drive back home. All right, guys, here's another really cool feature. It has a reverse camera that you can hook up. It's optional, you don't have to hook it up, but it's pretty cool if you got an older car that doesn't have a reverse camera. Now you can have one on this screen, and it's big. Our rear window is tinted, so it's a little darker, but you could mount it on the outside. I'll show you here in a second the difference, but this is inside with a tinted window, and basically you can hook it up to your reverse switch. So when you go into reverse, it'll automatically put it on here, or you can go to it right here from the menu and you can see it. It's pretty cool. I'll show you how I have it hooked up. You can see how dark our tint is, so that's why it's a little darker in there. But I've got it hooked up here temporarily. If your window's not tinted, it's gonna look a lot brighter. If you go to your home page, go to menu here, go to reverse, that's your reverse camera. You see how clear it is? It works really good. And it gives you lines here as a reference where you can back up safely. And you can see how clear it is. It looks great. So if you don't have a reverse camera, now you will with this. Pretty cool. All right, so we made it to our destination. Hey Siri. End route.
Ending navigation.
So you can see this is a really nice head unit, guys. Touchscreen, voice command. It's got all the features on it, and it works great. And the speaker is actually pretty good on it. Hey Siri. Coffee shops.
One option is Harrah's Coffee House on Lee Road in Winter Park. Less than a half mile to your west, and it gets 4.2 stars on Yelp. Do you want that one?
Yes.
Great. I can call or get directions. Just tell me what you'd like to do.
Get directions.
Getting directions to Harrah's Coffee House.
Go. All right, guys, go check it out. AutoCast. This is the AutoScreen. This thing is pretty cool, guys. Dual screens, Android, CarPlay. It's got a lot of options. It's very flexible, and as you can see in the video here, everything works flawlessly. And you can mount this on a car dash, a truck dash, an old car, a new car, RV, a boat, pretty much anything. All right, guys, go check them out. Click on the link below. These things are actually pretty affordable. Click on the link. There should be a discount code in the description. Also in the comments section, I'll leave a pinned comment with the discount. Go check it out, guys. Let me know if you get one.